saying. But I love it. Yes. Good evening and welcome to FMRevu. I'm your host, Freddie Robinson, and my review of the KS01 earphones is brought to you by King You. You can click on the links in the description below to find out more information on this company and the great products they provide. And before I go any further, I want to let you know I accepted these in exchange for an honest review, so sit tight and enjoy. Inside the box you get the earphones, and you have soft silicone earpieces in small, medium, and large in case you wanted to adjust the size or replace the earpieces. And now let's take a closer look at these earbuds. I would describe the color of these as a brown bronze color, and that's a good neutral color to blend in with most outfits or workout equipment. These are lightweight and they do have silicone earbuds, which makes them semi-waterproof. These will interact with your device through a 3.5mm audio connection. And for the convenience of using a phone, you do have an inline microphone with a multifunction button for pause and play songs and hang up or answer phone calls. Now I do see that this does say that it's a 1.3 meter length, and that's roughly 3 feet, which is a comfortable length for using with a cell phone or MP3 player. And now I'll briefly go over the product specs for these earbuds. The frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The sensitivity is 90 decibels plus or minus 3. The input power is 3 milliwatts. The impedance is 16 ohms with a plus or minus 15%. The microphone is negative 42 decibels plus or minus 3 decibels. The length of the cable is 1.2 meters. And the plug size is 3.5 millimeters. And so what is my opinion of these earbuds after using them? First of all, what I used them to do was work out at the gym and work out as a firefighter, the two things that I use my earphones for. I was pleased with the comfort level and the sound quality that they provide. When I work out as a firefighter, some of my workouts last 30 minutes, some of them last an hour if I'm going for endurance and stamina. And the entire length of either type of workout lasted very good, and it was comfortable with my ears. Now since they do have a silicone tip, it does somewhat act as a seal, which is a little bit along the lines of noise canceling. And especially since sweat adds to that, it does make a good solid seal, and it drowns out external noise. I live close to an airport and a busy road, and working outdoors will allow me to hear those on a normal day. But these did a great job of drowning that out and giving me that loud punchy music that I need to grind through my workouts. I did make a phone call to my wife and tested out the sound quality of the microphone. I was able to hear the conversation perfectly clear, and she never once said that there was any static interference or drop in sound volume. So I will say that these work great when using them for a phone call. And in the end, I would highly recommend these to anyone with an active lifestyle if you are working outdoors or if you're wearing them on a treadmill inside the gym. And thank you so much for spending your time by watching my videos. Please show your support by subscribing, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below.
3, 2, 1, action!
Inside the box you get the earphones and Inside the box you get the earphones and a soft silicone earpiece replaceable kit, which will allow you to have small, medium, and large. Inside the box you get the Inside the package you get earphones and soft silicone earpieces for replacement.